Hello everyone, welcome back to NextGen AI. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very interesting question. Can artificial intelligence replace human jobs? Let's explore the truth. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is technology that allows machines to think, learn, and perform tasks like humans. Tools like ChatGPT can write content and answer questions, while tools like Midjourney can create amazing images. AI is becoming more powerful every year. AI can replace some jobs that are repetitive or simple. For example, data entry, basic customer support, and simple content writing. Many companies now use AI tools to do these tasks faster and cheaper. But there are many jobs that AI cannot replace easily. These include doctors, teachers, engineers, and creative artists. These jobs require human creativity, emotions, and decision-making. The truth is, AI will not completely replace humans. Instead, AI will help humans work faster and smarter. People who learn to use AI tools like Canva and CapCut will have more opportunities in the future. So the real question is not, will AI replace humans? The real question is, are you ready to learn AI and work with it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for NextGen AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.